Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable Do Not Track on Google Chrome browser in Windows 11 or 10 PC. Enabling Do Not Track on the Chrome browser in Windows 11 or 10 helps enhance your privacy by requesting websites not to track your browsing activities. This feature sends a do not track request to websites, though it's important to note that not all websites will honor this request. To enable this one feature on your Chrome browser, first open Chrome browser uh, on your Windows PC. After that, click on this one menu icon that says customize and control Google Chrome. In the drop down menu, click on settings. After that, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find this one option, third party cookies. Click on this one. Now scroll down to this one advanced section. Here you will find send a do not track request with your browsing traffic. Just turn on this one toggle switch. Click on this one confirm button. This will enable do not track on your Chrome browser. That's all about this video. Bye.